Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic storytelling videos in just a few seconds using MagicLight.ai. With MagicLight, you can generate lifelike videos and bring your ideas to life by creating AI characters in just a few clicks. It's fast, simple, and perfect for anyone looking to create high-quality content without spending hours editing. I've added the link to MagicLight in the video description below. So register on the website via the link in the description to get 300 free credits. So be sure to check it out. Now, let's dive right in. Once you log in, you'll land on a clean, user-friendly dashboard where all the magic begins. Once you're on the MagicLight.ai dashboard, you'll notice a few key options like Create AI Video and AI Character right at the top. Scroll down and you'll also find helpful tutorials and community templates that can guide you through the process if you're just getting started. Let's begin by exploring the AI Video feature. Click on the Create AI Video button and you'll see an easy-to-use interface. Here, you'll need to enter your video script. You can either use the basic script option or try out the smart script feature, which is what I'll be using today. So, I'll go ahead and paste my script in here. Next, choose your aspect ratio, either 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Instagram Reels or TikTok. Then, pick a language and select a video style. You've got plenty of choices like realistic, Ghibli, kids stories, suspense, painting, art, and more. After that, select your video duration 1, 5, 10, 20, or even 30 minutes. Once you've set everything up, click Next, and the tool will start generating the scenes. You'll now see a breakdown of the scenes and dialogues. Here, you can edit the text, make any changes you like, and then hit Next. Now, it's time to add your character. You can either upload your own character image or use the autocast feature, which uses AI to automatically assign a fitting character to your video. I'm going with autocast for now. Hit Next, and in just a few moments, your video preview will appear. You'll see all the generated scenes. If you want to tweak a scene, just hit Regenerate, and it'll give you a new version. You can also add voiceovers.
Their hands meet, their eyes lock, sharing a silent exchange of love and peace.
Just pick your favorite voice from the options available. Once everything looks good, click the Animate button. Here, you'll be asked to choose an animation engine like Animate Pro, Runway, or Helio AI. These platforms help intelligently animate your video based on screen content. Select your preferred option, click Confirm, and boom, you'll be taken to the Storyboard page, where you can finalize things like cover settings, subtitle styles, and background music. Once you're happy with the setup, hit Generate, choose your final aspect ratio, and click Confirm.
As dawn breaks over the Vermont hills, a golden light bathes the rolling green landscape. A charming farmhouse sits nestled peacefully in the valley, bathed in the morning light. Amelia, in her sun hat and simple dress, kneels in her thriving garden, surrounded by the sounds and colors of nature. Ethan drives an old tractor, plowing through the vast fields under the relentless sun.
And that's it. Your AI-generated video is ready to go. Now, let's check out the AI character feature. To get started, simply click on the AI character button. This time, I'm going to create a brand new character. First, enter some basic details: character name, gender, category to match your use case, and age range. After that, you'll choose a character style. I'm going with the realistic style for a more lifelike appearance. Next comes the character prompt. This is where you can really customize your character. You can describe things like hairstyle and color, skin tone, clothing style, accessories, and body type. Click the Generate Image button, and within seconds, your unique AI character will be ready. And that's how easy it is to create both AI videos and AI characters using MagicLight.ai, all in just a few clicks. The link to MagicLight.ai is available in the video description, so make sure to check it out and give it a try. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.